there, my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we're going to take a look at a couple of examples for the order of operations. Now, the order of operations you can see here on the right-hand side. You may remember it as PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. But let's take a look at how we use that in this problem. So we have 5 plus 4 times 2 to the third. Now we have a parentheses, so that just tells us that what's in the parentheses we need to calculate first, this 2 to the third. A lot of people think this is 2 times 3, but it's actually not. It actually means to write the 2 3 times and multiply them together. So let's do it. 2 times 2 gives me 4, times 2 again gives me 8. So this time I'm going to replace the parentheses with an 8. All right, now my parentheses step is done. My exponent step is actually done too. And now we're going to multiplication or division. And this L to R means we're going to do it in order from left to right. So I know you probably want to do 5 plus 4. But I want you to wait, and we're going to do the multiply part first. So we're going to do 4 times 8, which is 32. So now we're done with the multiply or divide step. Next, we do the addition or subtraction. So we add 5 plus 32 to give us 37. Pretty simple, but you've got to follow in the order, not necessarily what you see left to right. Okay, let's look at number 2 then. What does 3x minus 4y equal if x equals -1 and y is 2? Now, we're going to use the order of operations in this problem, but first we're going to substitute. So in place of the x, I'm going to put a -1. Look how that's going to look now. 3, instead of x, I'm putting -1. I like to put it in parentheses to make it kind of stand out, but you can definitely just use a multiply sign if you want. Now you've got -4, and then I'm going to replace the y with a 2, and I'll do it in parentheses as well. Now we get to follow our order of operations. We do have parentheses. However, there are no operations inside. Like there's not an addition inside of the parentheses. So we're going to skip that step. We'll skip the exponent since there's not any. Now we do the multiply. So 3 times -1 would give me -3. And you also have to do this multiply. 4 times 2 would give me 8. So see how I did the two separate multiply problems? I have to do that first, and then I can come back and subtract. So -3 minus 8, use your calculator, right, to check that if you're having trouble with the negatives, and you'll get -11. So I hope that helps you with your problems.